On one hand, there is promises of building Babri Mosque, and we are standing in Beldanga where the mosque work has already started, and you can see that all the works are going on. On the other hand, there is also promises of making Durgangan and Mahakal Mandir and also Jagannath Dham, that is already made. In front there is a big election which is coming. There are political war of words. But this time, is it that the religion is also getting a relevance in this campaign? That's a big question. Whether the campaign should be on the government work or on the basis of faith-based mobilization. We'll try to find out that what is there on ground, how relevant is religion this time in election. We're standing in front of the Palasi monument. It is known as a historical significance where the 1757 of Battle of Plassey was fought. And today, from here in 2026, the Babri Yatra will start. The Babri Yatra was supposed to take place from here to Itahar, but Humayun Kabir, he has cut short his rally because of the examinations. And this is the place from where the rally will start, though the Nadia police sources and the Murshidabad police sources tells us that in both of the places Humayun Kabir has not asked for any permission. But right now the arrangements are being made. High deployment of police is also there, and today the rally will start. This will go to Rajinagar, and from there they will go to the Babri Mosque site, that is in Beldanga, Rajinagar in Murshidabad. The supporters and workers of Humayun Kabir, they are also there, the JUP supporters. We'll also talk to them. ये बात बताइए, क्या लगता है कि इस बार चुनाव में धर्म भी एक फैक्टर है? एक तरीके से दुर्गांगन बन रहा है, फिर जगन्नाथ धाम बन रहा है, दूसरी तरीके से बाबरी मस्जिद बन रहा है. क्या इस बार चुनाव में ये भी एक इशू है?
देखिए, ये इशू जो है बंगाल को जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है ममता बनर्जी, इन्होंने शुरू कर दिया. इन्होंने गवर्नमेंट का पैसा लेके मंदिर बनाना, दुर्गांगन बनाना, ये तो सरासर गलत है. हम लोग का जो मस्जिद है ये आम पब्लिक का पैसा से हो रहा है, ये ट्रस्टी का पैसा है.
इस बार चुनाव में ये मुद्दा है,
ये मुद्दा उठेगा. और जाहिर है कि ये हिंदू मुस्लिम जो आम पब्लिक है, हिंदू मुस्लिम जो एडुकेटेड है, इनका मुद्दा है. धार्मिक लेके राजनीति नहीं होता है. इन्होंने का आज तक कोई फैक्ट्री नहीं खुला.
चुनाव तो गवर्नेंस के ऊपर होना चाहिए.
गवर्नेंस के होना वो तो है,
सरकार चल रहा है उसके ऊपर होना चाहिए,
लेकिन
उसके ऊपर नहीं होकर धर्म के ऊपर हो रहा है.
देखिए, एक कोई फैक्ट्री होगा, हॉस्पिटल होगा, जो भी है, कोई नौकरी होगा, तो इसमें जो अगवा फैला रखे हिंदू मुस्लिम, ये नहीं है. सबको फैसिलिटी मिलता है.
Is religion become one of the main issues in this time polls, and one of the person who has been blamed for that is Humayun Kabir. He is with us. क्या इस बार चुनाव होगा उसमें धर्म एक बहुत बड़ी इशू है? एक तरीके से आप मस्जिद कर रहे हैं, दूसरे तरीके से मंदिर हो रहा है. ये क्या हो रहा है? रिलीजन को लेके क्यों राजनीति कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, रिलीजन के लिए राजनीति का कोई इच्छा मेरा नहीं था, लेकिन विपक्ष, मेरा जो विपक्ष में है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी बीजेपी, वो तो 15 साल पहले से ही वो जात पात का राजनीति लेके चल रहा है. किसी को मुद्दा उठाया राम मंदिर का, वो राम मंदिर ख़त्म हो गया तो फिर कोई बहरमपुर में राम मंदिर का इशू मुद्दा उठाया, कोई सागरदिघी में उठाया. वो तृणमूल कांग्रेस तो ये जात पात का राजनीति में पहले तो ममता बनर्जी वो उड़ीसा में जो जगन्नाथ मंदिर है वो दीघा में लेके आके क्या किया, सरकारी पैसा खर्चा करके, ये तो 380 करोड़ खर्चा करके वो तो जो जगन्नाथ मंदिर बनाया, वो की राजनीति जाति का लिए नहीं किया. वो तो जाति का ही राजनीति किया, धर्म का ही राजनीति किया. तो उनका खिलाफ में धर्म का नहीं करेगी तो कैसा चलेगी? मेरा तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
तो आप मान रहे हैं कि धर्म का राजनीति कर
हो रहा है, किसी लोग करेगा तो मेरे को पलटा कोई लोगों को मेरा पास में रखने के लिए तो करना ही चाहिए।
In one side in Murshidabad, Babri Mosque work has started. On another side, back in New Town near Kolkata, near about 260 crore money will be spent on Durgangan, a massive cultural complex dedicated to goddess Durga. Now this religious cultural complex is not the only initiative by the TMC government. Also there is one Jagannath Dham temple which has already come up in Digha. On the other hand, a Mahakal Mandir is also coming up in Shiliguri, whose stone laying ceremony has been done. So the big question is that is Trinamool Congress also getting into that religious line of politics, or they will be working on the development what they have done in last 15 years. That's the big question present.
সবাই বলুন হর হর মহাদেব।
Mosques are being made, Babri Mosque, and on the other hand, temples are being made. Is religion an issue? Obviously, everywhere this is the discussion. We will be talking to Kunal Ghosh, one of the most prominent spokesperson of Trinamool Congress. Kunal, the atmosphere of Bengal right now, a mosque, Babri Mosque is being built, and other places also we see that, you know, in government money temples are coming up. More of temples visit has been in other like Congress also, CPM also BJP. That is religion also an issue in Bengal now?
Basically, development is the only issue. Our issue is one, development, the main issue. Number two, central government is depriving Bengal, insulting Bengal. That is the second issue. And third issue is we want communal harmony and peace. So, development is the only key to win the mind of common people. And as Mamata Banerjee has done this development works in a huge manner, so 3 times CM, she is going to be the 4th time CM also. And BJP is now, they are trying to confuse some voters in the name of religion. You see, somebody is making a Babri Mosque. Democratic Bengal, secular Bengal, anybody can build a mosque, can build a temple, can build a church, and that is very important for tourism also. And now that person, Humayun Kabir, who was Bhajpa candidate in 2019 in Murshidabad Lok Sabha seat, which Bhajpa? That Bhajpa told, एक धक्का और दो, बाबरी मस्जिद तोड़ दो. So Humayun Kabir was Lok Sabha candidate from Bhajpa. Now he is talking about respect towards Babri Mosque. This is plan of Bhajpa.
For us, for BJP, who is ruling in 21 other states, and we are coming to power and forming the government in 2026, hopefully in West Bengal, our first priority and last priority is governance. Good governance, governance for everybody, development for everybody. Making temples or mosque or churches or Gurudwara is not any government's responsibility. What Mamata Banerjee is doing, she's not supposed to do that. She is saying she is making Jagannath Cultural Center. In the last few months she has made. That is not her job. She is making Durgangan for Durga Puja in Salt Lake. That is not her job. What Ayodhya temple was made, wasn't made by BJP. It was formed by a trust. Same with any other temple. So it is not any government's job to make temple, and it is never a responsibility or priority for BJP party. It's only good governments, it's only development, and that is our first priority in our manifesto also. Jobs for the youth of Bengal.
ईद की समय बंगाल में जैसे और ज़्यादा छुट्टी दिए, ये भी मांगा, क्योंकि सूबे की सरकार हर पर्व में जितना दिन मर्जी उतना दिन छुट्टी देते हैं, तो ये भी मांग रखते हैं।
Adhish Chaudhary has made this demand that 2 hours should be given. पहले छुट्टी दे देना चाहिए, then 3 दिन छुट्टी होना चाहिए, ट्रेन में आवाजाही ठीक से हो। कई ऐसे मांग उनको कर रहा है, बीजेपी बोल रहा है कि क्यों, मतलब ये अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स है। आपका क्या कहना है?
देखिए, जो मांगा है उन्होंने सही, ये कोई गलत नहीं है। बहुत आदमी ने बोला, हम लोग तो 4-5 साल से बोल रहे हैं इसे होना चाहिए। दुख की बात है, आज अवधि चौधरी साहब बोल रहे हैं, आज उन्होंने एमपी नहीं है, पार्टी का कोई बड़ा पद में भी नहीं है बंगाल का, फिर भी उन्होंने डिमांड कर रहे हैं। हम कल देख रहे थे कुछ कमेंट्स फेसबुक सोशल मीडिया में, उन बहुत लोग लिखे हैं कि अवधि साहब अभी आपको याद आया ये सब करने के लिए? आप जब सत्ता में था, देश का पूरा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट आपके हाथ में, आप लोग हाथ में था, आप लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन जब था, कुछ आपके हाथ में नहीं, मतलब कुछ आप लोग इसके बाद में इसके ऊपर कोई चर्चा नहीं किया। आज चर्चा।
Both sides are accusing each other. Both are claiming the moral high ground. But the ground reality suggests that religion is undeniably present in campaign optics.
Humayun Kabir is also making a mosque, and he is also a tagline of doing such politics. So, how that is, how the left actually could go and sit for a talk also.
No, it's a question of meeting and greeting people. And sitting with some people and making seat adjustment is two different things. Making front is two different things. The CPIM politics or the left politics is clear cut. So naturally, if there are some forces who organize on the basis of identity or religion or ethnicity, it's our duty to discuss with them and try to dissociate that this is a wrong path. In Bengal, it will not be well taken. It's not only through media we talk, in person also we discuss. Even those people who joined BJP, we meet them and tell them why you are ushering into such things.
But he is believing that left will have an alliance with Humayun Kabir.
That's everyone's own belief. We are not, the left ecosystem does not, based
He's
on
also
belief.
giving a deadline, 25th.
Left ecosystem does not function on the basis of, beliefs or some deadlines. In Bengal, CPM politics will not be dictated by anybody else. Neither Nagpur, nor Delhi, nor Baharampur.
Also, Congress, you are not going with an alliance with Congress, we are talking with ISF. So, do you think that this time Congress, why this alliance did not actually take place in such a situation where the polarized atmosphere needs to be changed?
The CPM position is very clear. We wanted to maximize the opposition vote together and to pull the vote together against BJP and TMC. At the national level we are doing that, at state level we are doing that, and in that case we expected, and for the last 2 assembly elections the seat adjustment was there with Congress and left. Left front is there as an entity, political entity, but we cannot have a front with Congress. They wanted to have a front or jot, but earlier, but we said seat adjustment is the maximum that we can go.
Humayun Kabir is saying that he has no other alternative but to do politics with religion. Trinamool Congress is saying that politics with religion is done by BJP. BJP is saying that it is done by Trinamool Congress and Humayun Kabir. We have with us ISF chief. He also works for a party which speaks of the backwards and minorities. We'll talk to him on this point. Naushad, who is definitely as a tie-up with last election as a tie-up with left. Now, in this election, Naushad, do you feel that there is a environment where religion is coming into politics and the politicians, like more of mandis are coming, Babri mosques are being made, even Adhish Chaudhary wants a Ramzan, more holidays. So what is your take? Is religion becoming an issue?
Today's main issue is, political main issue is religion. Main issue is education, health, employment. But there is no such parties that is called that way, how to gain employment, how to increase education system, how to provide a health system to poor like citizen.
Bengal is famous for chai ki adda, and in a morning breakfast chai ki adda we have come. We will try to actually know from the people that the politicians are doing this Mandir Masjid, what people think. Is religion an issue this time? We'll talk to, we have come to a prominent place in Park Street, Russell Street. And you know, this is a very prominent adda which takes place every day here. We'll talk to them. Ye bataiye, tell us that, do you think that suddenly Mandir, Masjid and all these things, politics is there in Bengal? Will Bengal accept that? Or no, Bengal will not?
Bengal has never accepted that. We believe in development. We don't believe in all this stuff because whenever election comes, people always go for religious affairs. We are not interested in that. We are interested only in development.
So Bengal will actually hold on the old theory.
The old theory of development.
Okay, which side this time you feel that the wind is moving?
The wind is moving towards, till now it's in favor of Mamata Banerjee. Let's see what happens next.
You tell me that, do you think that religion has suddenly become an issue here?
Every time it crops up when the elections are coming. But I think people of Bengal are educated, they are well vast, thinking about have the knowledge about the entire India, what is going around in UP, Bihar and all that places. I don't think so religion will be any matter here. I don't think so.
But there's an undercurrent.
See, these undercurrents will be there. They are all paid. People are getting paid with it. It crops up things where like people are coming from other state to do all kind of bawal and all that here. So I don't think so. People are very mature out here. Very mature.
People are matured out here. What do you think that there is suddenly a lot of mandis have come up, mosque is being built, and there's politics around that, and all the politicians are visiting this religious place.
All the politicians to do all this, but the general public will vote for development and consistency government in the state.
And the vote will not be on the basis of religion, but will be on the basis of development, or there are certain areas
There will be 4 to 5% swing towards the religion issue, but overall it will be towards development. And I think Mamata will be back again.
Do you think that Bengal will have any effect on that?
No.
What will Bengal vote for?
Bengal, Mamata Banerjee will come back. The Dharam issues are just for a time being. After that, they go away. Last election also, we have seen a lot of Dharam and a lot of dramabaji for BJP, and after that, they're gone. Public choice for development.
Like Humayun Kabir, he is saying that sab rajniti kar rahe hai, politics ke leke hum bhi karenge.
This is a newborn baby. छोड़ दो उसको. वो आज आया कल गायब हो जाएगा. ऐसा कितना रोज हर सीजन में पैदा होता है, कितना चला जाता है. कितना पॉलिटिशियन को देखा हम लोग पैदा हुआ चला गया, बाद में फिर दीदी का पैर पकड़ता के ये भी आएगा.
So that is something very interesting coming up from this adda. You tell me that suddenly so many mandirs coming up in government money, and on the other side some mosques are being made. Do you think that it will have some influence in the vote, or Bengal will vote for development?
Has always thought differently from others. They have never been so influenced by these things. They are educated people. They know they have their own perception of life. You cannot control their mind. You do good work. You do good work. You don't need to ask for vote. They'll come and vote for you. The best part is, you see here so many guys, all caste religions सब बैठे हुए हैं, ये अड्डा मार रहे हैं. हम लोग अंदर में वो आता ही नहीं है. थोड़ा एजुकेशन की कमी है. एजुकेशन जहाँ आएगा वहाँ पे ये सब आप नहीं डोमिनेट कर पाएगा. ये सब मंदिर मस्जिद जहाँ पर लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन है, वहाँ पर तो इंसान के सबकी कमजोर नस होती है, धर्म उसमें असर करता है. हम लोग सालों से यहाँ बैठ रहे हैं. दुनिया की लड़ाई हो गई, मंदिर मस्जिद यन तैन हो गया. यहाँ पर तो एक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. तो इंसान की सोच है, सब अपनी कोशिश में लगे. शैडो बॉक्सिंग रहती है हमेशा. they put on allegations, they put on allegations. कोई दूध का धुआं धुला नहीं है.
Ultimately, it is the voters who will decide whether this type of all these programs will affect the Muslim voters, or building of temples will affect the Hindu voters, or the voters will give a vote on governance. Bengal has never seen such a trend. So will Bengal remain what Bengal was, or it will change in these lines? That is the big question for which time will give answer, and we have to really wait. This is Komalika Sengupta with Anshuman Roy reporting for CNN News 18.